Okay, and we're going to look for Internet Marketing Service Panama City on this one. And we'll click more places and let's count up the competition and see if we're in the list anywhere. Okay, we're not in the list there. Let's go to the second 20 and we are nowhere in the list there. And then we'll count these on the third page. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. This was permanently closed, but they're still taking up a spot here. So 11 and 40 is 51. We have 51 competitors. That's medium high competition. And since these people are internet marketing people, we have to assume that they know what they're doing, right? Well, maybe they do, maybe they don't, maybe they're lazy. We just don't know. But we're going to find out because we're going to do whatever it takes to beat these guys and get up to the #1 ranking in Google My Business for the keyword or the key phrase Internet Marketing Service in Panama City.